What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Dreamin' Diesel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Don't really know what today's video is going to be about. We're just kind of working out a bunch of stuff here on the crew cab. I'm going to update you guys real quick. I did drive it home over the weekend. Well, I drove it home and drove back to the shop here. It did okay. There's a bit of a shake to it at about 50 or in between like 45 and 60. Maybe that's with the injectors because you know, it is kind of like missing 2 injectors, so maybe the motor's a little off. Other than that, I don't know what it might be. We've got here, let me show you. The front passenger side caliper is leaking. So that's obviously a problem. There's a slight oil leak. There's a bit of an oil leak we got to figure out as well. Interior wise, cruise control doesn't work. We need to kind of figure out the blower motor doesn't quite work right. And what else?
Cruise control.
Yeah, I said cruise control. Oh, the driver's side heated seat doesn't work. And we got the overhead console working, that's what it was. So we got a few things on the interior to finish up. And then right now we were working on, or the other day, we started doing the differential. We started changing the differential fluid. So we got both the front and back drained. I just got the back one put back on, and then I changed the transfer case fluid as well. And all that noise back there is Vaughn. We are making some attempts at taking the bed off here. It's I don't know how well it's going, but we're getting there. We're just gonna send it is what we're doing. So you know, instead of getting the bolts out, we just decided to cut around them because why not?
Hey, oh, don't forget somebody broke the socket.
Well, yeah, it's right here. Yeah. See, we already broke a T50 socket. You know, it was a quality craftsman. Okay, I broke the T50 socket with the breaker bar. It didn't quite work, so you know, it's not like we're keeping this bed or anything. Maybe if you're keeping your bed, you might not want to go that route, but you know, they'll get the job done. Hopefully, maybe. But yeah, so we're just going to be taking this bed off, and I'll show you guys maybe the differentials. Show you guys the differentials when I'm done. But yeah, that's about it. We're just making some more progress, sorta. Maybe I'll set you guys up and you kind of watch us fight with this bed here. But yeah, don't need that anymore. Nope. So this is about how this process is going. This is what we got. Yeah. I'll get her done. I think she'll come out now. How's it going? That's how it's done. Got it? We're making it work. At least you're wearing safety stuff. Right. That's good. Good start.
Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. We lose it all. Feel it in your heart. Feel it in your legs. Feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. Just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. We lose it all. Feel it in your arms. Feel it in your legs. Feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. Just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
That's what I do, I just cut these off. Start with this one because you're already stuck in it.
This, you don't have much.
Cut this
time
one
either.
off, and see if it loosens up then. You still might need a significant amount of pressure though.
This is all on video?
Yeah. Cut this whole thing off,
How now to take a bed off?
pretty much. Otherwise you're
Definitely not saving it.
Yeah, ain't much
That's what I'm
there.
saying, but there's still a bed rail under there that bolt's going through. I feel like it's still.
But it's the bolt cut out.
It's
on this part of the bed.
Unless it has some kind
Got this
of
support.
shoulder,
Yeah.
does it have any kind of shoulder?
This is not cut out.
What do you mean?
Yeah, these
I'm
bolts
talking
used
about-
to, they used to be, oblong, I don't know if they still are or not. Maybe by oblong, they used to be like this. So that's when it was very micro.
Well, that I don't know.
Scratch the bed.
Something ability to buy it. We'll weld it back together.
Hold on.
Got that piece out. Now you can weld it back together.
Yeah, see?
Nice.
That's what I'm trying to do. You know, you may have. Pick that up.
Why, you guys try putting a
Try cutting that off.
under the torch?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the one.
Cut this off right now. And get this chunk of steel off and look down and you'll see what you got.
Start cutting off.
Am I good?
Hey, Jim. Try to cut the head of this off. With that. You can try with that.
What's your eyes? Go in the washer or go right here?
Either one, yeah, you can go above the washer.
You got, rust in the oil pan.
Huh?
There's rust in your oil pan.
Well, looks like that worked. Yeah, nothing there to break, I guess.
Cut it on in the beginning.
Yeah, see, there's the bed.
5:30.
It is.
Snack time.
Time to go home.
No. Probably not leave until this comes off, huh?
Probably.
So that's what you're gonna have to do, with all 4 of those.
You think it'll come now?
Did you see it pop? The whole bed popped.
Oh, it did? Oh, I told you, see, we should just cut them. I told you. No? Oh, yeah.
You wouldn't be able to do that if you hadn't cut them.
They were just having fun smashing something.
So you just gotta do that to all 4. Still gotta do something with that second rail though.
Yeah.
We got the first one up.
So that's what you do. You cut the bolt heads off. That's the way to do it. Clearly. Get her? Ah. Whoa! Sweet Jesus. Did you get it?
I got it.
Got it. Gnarly.
Is you nice and loosey-goosey now?
It's right in the ass, dude.
What?
They hit me in the ass.
What did?
The fucking bolt.
That's how it's done.
I need another grinder.
No, it's fine.
Sure. What's that one done over here?
Or do we use them all yet? No. You want to grind up?
Probably.
Actually, no, I think I have that confused. It's right on brake fluid thing. I don't know if brake cleaner does. Well, it's not like my brake cleaner. I dropped. What are you doing? Oh wait, I'm just. I dropped it. Oh yeah. Sorry. You're literally coming right over, right on it. It's like. All right, this is about to get real interesting.
Throw that nice.
so as you guys just saw, we did finally successfully get the bed off. Had to use the old 78. For those that don't know, that is the excavator, as you guys obviously saw. But yeah, got her off. It wasn't the best way. Those fifth wheel rails really kind of messed us up. I think if those weren't in there, we could have just cut the bolt heads and pulled the thing right off. But those fifth wheels rails really made it quite more difficult. But yeah, got her off. Obviously, if you were keeping the bed, you obviously wouldn't want to use that method. But yeah, we got it done. Not the prettiest under here. We got to clean it all up. Tomorrow, my paint guy is coming. We're gonna get this all prepped up and gonna have this all painted real nice. We still gotta drop the fuel tank, take the shocks off, do a bit of cleanup, and I'll get the rear bumper off. Just get some stuff cleaned up. But yeah, we are definitely making some progress. So you'll probably just see us cleaning up a bit. I still gotta finish up the differentials and might get the power steering flush in before I drop the tank. We'll see. But yeah, I just gotta finish up getting everything cleaned up. Gotta do a little bit of prep work on the frame here, and then it's gonna be getting painted tomorrow, so it's gonna start looking really good and be getting closer to being done.
Like a force in the clips,